Hello, my name is Robert Brooks, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing my Project 3 for AOC 1406. In this project, I built a event planner application, and just want to take you through that real quick. So I'll go ahead and launch it on my iPad here. Pretty simple UI. Not a lot of fancy stuff, but you hit the Add Event button and it launches the Add Event um, view. And first thing I want to show you is that if you hit Save with nothing in the box, even if you have it highlighted, it won't do anything. I'll just type in an event. There's Event 1. Close keyboard, Save. This button right here obviously closes the keyboard. We'll type in event 2 and save. And you'll notice that there is the text view appends the events that you have entered, and it actually adds a break line in between them. We'll add one more event here just so you can see. And save, and you'll notice that it also, when you hit the save button, it adds the event to the text view, but it also closes and dismisses the add event view. That's pretty much it for the application. Now to take you over a little bit of the code. Most of the work was done in my second view controller, but we'll look at the main view controller, the first one first. And all I did here was created my the UI view controller, second delegate, and delegated and added to, even though I didn't use them all that much, I added two UI or UB outlets for my UI button. Go to second view, which I ended up not even using. UI text view, which is the text field that that had all the events in it. Now, if you go to the view controller, let's see here. Right here, I set the first view controller to delegate for the second view controller right here with the prepare for segue, and then right here I implemented the second view delegate. So this is the did close function, and I created a mutable string called event items, and what it did was it appended it took the text from the text string, which was the text field that the user inputted in the other text field, and appended it to the mutable string, and also it had the two line breaks there for the new line escape, to add the extra space in there, and then I changed the event text field, which was the text view, to the appended mutable string, so to the event items mutable string. So on to the second view controller. This is where most of the work was done. Here's where the delegate, or where I delegated the second view in the header here. The second view delegate. Here is the property for my text field, my UI text field. Here is the property for my save button, IB outlets. For all these, the close keyboard button, IB outlets for the UI button. And here are my two different click functions I use in the app. The first click was the on click, and this is what actually the save button does when it sends the information back to the first view and populates the text view. And this one was the keyboard exit click, where it dismisses the keyboard. Going in here, let's see, the on click implementation for the save button. I added this right here, this if statement right here, that basically prevents the save button from sending a blank entry back to the text view. Basically, it just checks the length of the string, and if it's 0, the if command will not execute, so it won't do any of this stuff if there is no text in there. Closed keyboard implementation and all these are IB actions as well. Basically, what I did is use the IB action and sent the and told the keyboard when the buttons clicked, the dismiss or the close keyboard buttons clicked, to dismiss the keyboard by saying text field resign first responder. And that is about it for my project. As far as things I could have done better, I think that I could have definitely done a little bit better job with designing some of the UI elements. It's pretty basic, but I definitely look forward to getting to learn how to do, change the colors, do the text, and I did it a little bit, but as far as the highlighting and all that stuff goes, I kind of dibbled and dabbled, but I'd like to definitely learn more about that. Thank you very much, and I look forward to next week.